didn't ask floor, but if you call me, I will say some words. I think that the most important problem with media today, especially in Europe, is independent of political, but also of economic pressure. And the most I think that the biggest problem is the ownership of the media, and we make something with the ownership because they blame the political entirely. And it's the problem. And they do because they represent some secret interest. It's obvious. Everywhere. Thank you.
I'm sorry I had you on my list. Then I give the floor back to Mr. Deo.